Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for this video we are going to discuss recurring decimal to fraction. Okay, so we said that recurring decimal numbers are rational numbers because it can be written in fractional form. So let us try to do it. Okay, so first example, we have 0.5555. Okay, so the first one, you have to check how many numbers are repeating. Okay, so since in example number one, only one number is repeating, is only number 5. So first, let us set, let's say, n is equal to 0.5555. Okay, and then since there's only one number is repeating, okay, so it's only number 5. So we multiply it by 10. So 10n is equal to 5.555 and so on. And then let us subtract n, the original given number, 0.555. Okay, maybe we can erase this. All right. So 10 minus n, or we can say 1n. So 10 minus 1 is 9. So 9n is equal to, so we subtract it also, 0, 0, 0. So it's 5. Then over 9 both sides. So n is equal to 5 over 9. Okay, so it means that 5 over 9, or 5 divided by 9, is 0.5555. Okay, I hope it is clear. Next. Okay, next one, number 2. So 0.9222 and so on. So the repeating number is number 2. Okay. So again, focus only on repeating numbers. Okay. If there's only one number repeating, then multiply it by 10 only. So it will become 9.222 and so on. Then subtract to original one. So 0.9, 0.922 and so on. Okay, so we have 0. So 10 minus n, 10n minus n is 9n. Okay, I will use red. So 12 minus 9 is 3. Point, and this will become 8. So 8.3 over 9. So n, multiply it by 10. 10 over 10, so that we can have a whole number for 8.3, or we can remove the decimal point by multiplying by 10. So 83 over 90. Okay, and that is our answer. Okay, next, number 3. Okay, for number 3, so again we have only one repeating numbers. So we will multiply it only by 10. Then moving the decimal ones to the right. So 5.111 and so on. Then n is equal to 0.511 and so on. And then subtract. do the subtraction. We have 9n. Okay, so this one is 0. Okay, I will use red. Okay, so 11 minus 5 is 6. So 5 will become 4. So 4.6 over 9, both sides. So n is equal to, okay, let's multiply it by 10 over 10. So that we can have 46, okay, over 90. Now, if you want to simplify it, it's up to you. Okay. But for now, this one is all right. It's okay. 46 over 90. Okay, so it depends on your teacher. If your teacher wants to simplify it, okay, then simplify. You must simplify. Follow the instruction of your teacher. Okay, but for this video, for now, okay, 46 over 90 is fine. So next, number 4. Okay, number 4. Okay, 0.2626. Okay, so now we have two numbers repeating, or repeating two numbers. Okay, so 2 and 6. So we are going to multiply it by 100. Okay, so we have, okay, moving the decimal point twice or two times to the right. So we have 26.26, okay, 26, and so on. Then n is equal to 0.2626, and so on. Okay, minus 1. So 100 minus 1 is 99n. So this is 0. So we have 26 over 99. So n is equal to, okay, 26 over 99. Okay. And let us now go to our last example. Okay, 0.07474. So two numbers are repeating, 7 and 4. So multiplied by 100. So we have 1, 2. So 7.4, 7474, and so on. So our original given number is 0.07474. Okay, subtract. We have 99n equals, okay, so we have, okay, 0, 0. So we have 4, then 7.4 over 99, both sides. So n is equal to, okay, multiplied by 10 over 10, so that we can remove the decimal point. So we have 74 over 990. But again, it depends on your teacher. If your teacher is asking you to simplify it, then you must simplify it. All right? Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you so much, and God bless you all. This is Konkru TV. Bye.